Welcome to Mocktails. For this round, ang mystery ingredient is durian. Durian is a tropical fruit native in Southeast Asia and marami niyan dito sa Philippines. Okay bro, so today, durian yung mystery ingredient mo. So paano mo siya transform into a mocktail?
Una, ginawa ko, sinubi ko yung durian kasi gusto ko palabasin yung clear syrup. Kaso cloudy pa rin siya. So ginawa ko, blend ko siya with coconut water. Then inad ko sa siphon para magkaroon ng parang
Okay bro, so anong mocktail style yan?
So for this one, ginawa ko siyang elegant style. For the base, Darjeeling tea. Then homemade vanilla extract. Cane sugar. Ice. And stir. Finish it with durian and coconut foam.
Okay, so why durian? Durian is very interesting. Meron siyang pungent aroma, heavy texture, and mapasobra ka lang ng konti is mabilis niya na ma-overpower yung ibang elements. Perfect siya to test creativity, control, and technique. Shoutout muna tayo kay Palpitate and Rock Lemon. Salamat sa suporta and keep the passion burning. Alright, so I'll be rating this based on two things. First, my personal preference. Yun yung sensory assessment and technical execution. Then second is based on our customers' preference. Approachability, drinkability, and yung appeal niya sa current market natin. Okay, so let's taste it. Visuals muna. For me, okay yung elegant. So, very minimalist. Parang siyang beer-like lang na mocktail. The nose, pungent. Yeah, pero hindi naman siya too much. Pero sobrang makuha mo talaga yung durian vibe niya. Tignan natin. Ang nagawa niya, hindi niya masyado na overpower yung base niya, which is ando doon. And meron mga accent na vanilla. So, very harmonious yung total na blend. Para sa akin, I will rate this mocktail 8. For our customer's preference, I will rate this one naman around 7. Medyo may pagka-acquired taste, pero hindi naman masyadong complicated. Eventually, pag na-explain na maayos, feeling ko magugustuhan nila. So next episode, it's Ina's turn to take on another mystery ingredient.